Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Yaara, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo for Sumo Day, and it claims to use AI to generate unique keyword-rich content for ads, emails, websites, blogs, and social media. So it's an AI generator tool where you're gonna create with different kind of templates, and you're gonna generate different type of writings to spread your content faster, being able to improve it, and also to create it dealing with the new SEO technology. The tool costs only $39 for the license tier 1. The price is pretty good, being an alternative to Copy AI and Jasper. You can see here all AppSumo users will get the future growth plan updates, and the difference here will be the number of keywords per month. The license tier 1 get 30,000, and then license tier 2 more keywords and users, and you can go up the tier 4 where you're gonna get unlimited words per month. So let's take a look at Yaara. So here you can see that you can on the dashboard see your total credit balance, and on the left you will see the tools. So they have different kind of tools for different kind of writings. Also, you can create a new document and write it using the different kinds of recipes. It looks like Jasper. You can use the AI or write an AI prompt to start. So for instance, title for a blog post. Unlock the power of AppSumo to supercharge your business growth. Then you can go here and create a blog intro, copy and paste my title here, and generate the AI content. So you can keep going writing using the document. The document will work the Jasper tool. You can add the title, description, tone of voice, and keywords, and then keep writing. You can also change the creative level. So it is the level of an invention that the AI will use to write your blog post. So you can also ask Yaara about anything. So tell me more about the apocalypse. The apocalypse is an event in which the world or a particular society undergoes a catastrophic event, usually resulting in widespread destruction, death, and suffering. Yaara will have also that chat where you can ask anything to her. The tool has also recipes, for instance, how to write Facebook ads. Then you click on run, how to write Facebook. So here is the recipe: product name, product description, write a path for the product, convert the path into Facebook ads, write a Facebook ad headline. So product name, product description, we can type here the description about Albaro. So the tool created using the guideline. The Facebook ad copy need to simplify your workflow. Easily simplify your workflow with Albaro. Our no-code platform enables you to integrate cloud service and build custom automations quickly, and need to simplify and quickly. So as you can see, recipes are a kind of templates. Here you're gonna find many different kind of templates that you can use. Create, for instance, new blog posts about a new feature, product name, a new feature name, importance of the new feature, etc., etc., etc. And Yaara will create a new blog. About the different kind of tools, check out the email genie first. My role, SEO, AppSumo, and I'm gonna add the company description. AppSumo description is here. I think I run off credits now. You can see that it's only, no, I have more words left. So let's try again. Right here, AI is the copy writing words, generates the AI content. You'll be able to change your language as well with the pro version. And the tool just wrote, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we write copy, offering a range of opportunities for businesses to maximize their marketing efforts. In this article, we explore how AI could revolutionize copywriting, etc., etc. So it created a blog intro for that blog title. On tools, you can see here that you can create a long form writer. How AI revolutionize copywriting, AI, copywriting, SEO. I'm gonna select professional. Generate outline. The tool will generate the outlines here. You will be able to remove them as well, and then generate the talking points. The talking points are here of those topics, and you will be able to generate the content. So here you can see that they create the whole article, all the outlines. So pretty simple and fast to create a new article using. You can see they have different kind of templates. Fix the grammar, intro hook generator for your YouTube. That could be cool. So what your video is about. Let's select here a big view piece of text. With this piece of content, you can generate an intro hook generator. So, but now I think I have run out of credits. I have no credits anymore. I created everything I could create, the trial plan. So remember, I think the outputs are pretty good. The tool will be divided by tools where you're going to find different kind of prompts. Also the long form writer, the story brand workflow, adjective generator, cover letter, explain like I'm 5, third person converter, YouTube video titles, thank you note, the document that will work as Jasper, and you're gonna see also recipes and templates to generate new kind of copy using the document feature on Yaara. Overall, the tool, I think it's pretty good. The limit is good as well. Take a look at the link in the description so you're gonna get more information about the tool and also get the best deal. Thank you so much. Bye bye.